This video will give a brief description and operation of the Viper gas rotary screw air compressor. Designed to provide 60 to 80 CFM at 100 to 150 psi, the Gas Viper is powerful enough to operate a 90-pound jackhammer, boring and piercing tools up to 4 inches, as well as a variety of landscaping and irrigation applications using pneumatic air tools. Before using, please read through your owner's manual thoroughly and follow all wording and safety instructions. Do not operate in an enclosed space. Running any combustion engine in an enclosed space may result in carbon monoxide poisoning and may cause overheating, which may result in fire and/or explosion. Follow the guidelines for recommended airspace allowance around the machine to avoid preheating the intake air or recirculating of exhaust air back to the intake openings. Intake openings and the compressor cooler need to be free of obstructions, dirt, and buildup to keep from reducing the efficiency of the cooling system. Familiarize yourself with the instrumentation and controls on the Viper's control panel. These can also be found in your owner's manual. The color lamp indicators for the engine and compressor oil temperature and pressure can be found on the instrumentation control panel. Refer to the instrumentation and controls figure and the LED status color indicator tables located in your owner's manual. The Viper gas compressor should only be operated on a level surface. Operation in a non-level orientation could result in improper fuel system venting, oil carryover in the compressed air supply, and/or vibrational issues. The compressor should only be operated with the hood closed and the front and back access covers in place. The cooling system is designed to function properly only with the enclosure intact and closed. A condition may occur in operating environments that contain high levels of moisture, whereby condensation can occur within the oil system and possibly lead to emulsification of the lubricant. Refer to the table High Moisture Condition Operation for further explanation, symptoms, and preventive and corrective action in your owner's manual. When operating in extreme temperatures, high humidity, or high altitude, it is critical to pay attention to any signs that may indicate a serious issue. The Viper gas is equipped with 2 lifting points. The lifting points are designed to support the weight of the machine in a vertical direction only. The following procedures should be used for the initial startup of the compressor. Position the compressor on a level surface so that the proper amounts of liquids can be added if required. Check the engine and the compressor oil levels and add oil if necessary. Check the fuel level. The fuel level gauges are located on the front and back of the machine. The engine is electronically fuel injected for easy starting, especially in cold weather. There is no choke involved in starting the machine. The user starts the engine and the compressor will regulate the engine speed, either full speed or idle, based on compressed air demand. Fill the fuel tank if necessary. Connect your air hose to the air discharge. Be sure to close all service valves. Start the engine using the key switch. Allow the engine to warm up for a few moments until the engine idles smoothly. Vanair's Viper gas air compressor allows the user to engage variable control settings for the machine operation. The goal of variable control setting is to allow the user to adjust these parameters of the machine. These would include the pressure set points, timing input, engine RPM, and compressor inlet valve modulation in order to gain consistent matching between air output and air demand. Once parameters are set, controls are automatic and require no user interface. When the Auto Start-Stop operating mode is enabled, the compressor package will turn off until air demand is needed again. Auto Shutdown, if enabled, will cause the Viper to go into a machine sleep state mode. When the inlet control output is not active, a timer will count to the auto shutdown parameter value. The engine will shut down when the timer value is reached. Refer to the Instrumentation and Control panel to set the time increment. With the machine off, turn the key to the on position. Do not crank start. The screen will display an A, followed by the number of minutes that auto stop will occur. A 0 is the auto start-stop off position. The auto stop time is now adjustable using the adjustment lever. Set time will automatically appear after 3 seconds. The machine's pressure adjustment parameter can be edited using the auto start-stop lever while the machine is running. The Viper factory setup is 80 CFM at 100 psi. The compressor's minimum cutout pressure setting is 75 psi to a maximum system pressure of 150 psi. This can be adjusted in 5 psi increments. Be sure the machine is in the on position. With the machine running or in sleep mode, move the adjustment lever quickly to the top position, then to the bottom position again. Set will appear on the screen and flash the current set point. The pressure may now be adjusted in 5 psi increments. Move the adjustment lever to the desired pressure. Let go of the lever once the desired pressure is shown. The new setting will automatically apply after 3 seconds. Use the pressure timer adjustment lever along with the information data screen readout to set the pressure. Close all service valves to stop the demand for the compressed air. Allow the engine to run at idle for a few minutes to cool down. Turn the key to the off position. Refer to the troubleshooting section of your owner's manual for typical symptoms and usual causes for the most common types of problems that may occur. All available data concerning the trouble should be systematically analyzed before undertaking any repairs or component replacement. For more information on Vanair products, do not hesitate to call 1-800-526-8817 or visit our website